on. Say hi, baby. Hi. Okay, that's a hi. So today we are off to a place. It's a farm. You also want to talk? Okay. So we are going to a farm. So let's see how it's gonna be. I'll try to capture most of the special moments of today, and I will share the location and all the details about the farm in this in the description box. And let's see how the day goes. And so today is Daughter's Day, so we are making it special with an outing. Happy Daughter's Day, baby. Oh, I got a kiss. Yeah, so we are making it special by going out. This is a very safe place, that's why we chose this. There are mostly domestic animals, so where I think kids can touch them and play and all. So I am not sure. Let's see. I will go there and make a video, and I will let you all know how it is and all that. And also they allow only 30 people in a day, so we have to pre-book and then go. So rest of the details I will give you all in the video. Do watch till the end. If you like this video, do like, share and do subscribe to my channel.
So we have reached the destination. As we reach, we can see so much of greenery. It was just 1 hour travel from our house, and this is close to, it is in Bannerghatta and very close to the Bannerghatta Zoo. It is called the Big Barn Farm, and here he is our guide in this farm. Every family gets individual guide, and he explains each and everything, starting from lotus to animals. He also explained us about butterflies, bees, so many informations which was really new to us. So it was very nice to have a guide throughout our farm experience. And here were few cows that also they had kept in varieties. There were also the Indian breed cows. There was also the Jersey cows, different types of cows. He did show us, explain us what are the difference between the cows and why are the quality of milk different from the Jersey cow and the farm cow, and all that he explained us, which was very informative. And we also got to feed the animals, and you can see how excited my daughter is to feed the cows. So yeah, it's a very good place for kids, for them to learn and to experience. They could touch the animals, so it is a very nice experience, worth the money. So when it comes to money, the entry fee was 550 per head, and for my daughter, of course, it was free. So under 2 years it is free entry, so about 2 years it is 550 for everyone. I mean for each person 550. So there were many goose here, so you all can see, and this was the best for my daughter because she enjoyed playing with the goose. So you all can see in this video, she will be playing later. So here we could touch the cows. Previously we could only feed the cows. They had made arrangements in such a way that we could feed them. And here we could touch them. All the animals in this farm were really friendly. We didn't worry at all. If you all see how close my daughter was to the cow, and we did not worry at all. And this was a very good chance we got to experience domestic animals so close that we could touch, feel and play with them. It was amazing. And here you can see my daughter playing with the goose. She enjoyed. She was actually playing, running and catching with the goose. So she just loved it, and we enjoyed watching her being so happy. you'll see, she actually imitated the goose how she walks, and that is a very nice way of, you know, learning. She's trying to imitate an animal, so which is really a practical experience, practical learning for her.
I'd be so excited. I know.
There were many more animals which I have not covered everything. So here there was a rabbit. There were also many rabbits, but we were worried if she goes into the rabbit cage itself, then she would like harm them. She would harm the rabbits. So that's why they got only one rabbit outside to show her. And I mean show us. And here was a fish pond where we could feed the fishes. They gave us few feeds so that we can feed the fishes. It was really nice experience here too. And there was a spider, a really big one, and we could touch that and we could play with it. They told this spider would live another 2 months only, and this was a male. This was a female. And there was a play area. As I told, I have not shown all the animals which was there. There were also horses. There were also donkeys, buffaloes. So all that I have not shown in the video. But I think that would be really long if I show all the animals and what all we did. But of course, there was to mention, there was no food available there. They had only few drinks, and they told they could provide sandwich. But we did not require that because we had taken our lunch with us. We spent the whole day, so it was open from 10:30 in the morning up to 3:30 in the evening. But they were very kind enough, because we reached there very late, so they were very kind enough to let us till 4 or 4:30 also. By the time we left, it was 4:30, and we really enjoyed the complete time. It was like we felt real use of that time. So this was one of the amazing things we did there, playing in the trampoline. So this was my daughter's first experience in trampoline. I think my nephews too. It was the first experience playing in the trampoline. It was amazing. We spent so much time in the trampoline. And adults were also allowed to play here. So later my dad and my husband joined me playing in this. And to give a good end to our day, we had this adventure which we didn't even know this was there. The zip line, or I don't know what else name it has, but it was a great adventure. It was only me and my dad who did this adventure, but it was amazing and I loved it. I have done such adventures before, in different places, but this was unexpected. I did not expect such an adventure in this farm. So there were 2 levels. So one was this and one, I don't know if you all can see the backside. I couldn't complete that, but my dad completed both the levels. So the second one was really tough, so I could do only the first one, but second my dad completed. So with this we finished the day, and with this I finished my video too. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and do press the bell icon too, and keep supporting me as always, and do watch all my videos. Until then, bye bye.